welcomes you with open arms, and we're all at peace. I shall shed no more tears because I know that you're happy to be here. Sabi ko siguro ni Lord, tama na, Jean. Marami ka nang nagawa. Nauna pa siya sa akin. Yun ang masakit. Kasi ako palaging, very recently I was hospitalized. And every time she comes to the hospital, she was always smiling. Para bang ako nag-worry, siya hindi. Pero that is Jean. Jean to all of us. Happy, madaldal, may katamaran nga ng pagdating sa bahay. Kasi hindi nag-nutrition. Hindi nagluluto. Also, she's a nutritionist. Every time she has visitors, she will just say, Ma, may bisita ako. Pwede ba? Lutuan mo sila. Sabi ko, ilan? 10. Sometimes 20. And then I would prepare, and she will not be there. She will come only when the visitors are already. Kung nagpapaluto sa akin, pagkatapos niya mag-set ng table, wala siya. But that's the way she is. And that's how we love her. Even if we complain. But she will always be smiling and she will always be thanking me. Ma, ang sarap-sarap ng luto. Marami. And to me, that was enough compliment. That was enough. Thank you for all the trouble. And I never reject her whenever she asks me to do something. Just as she never says no when I ask her to do something. So thank you very much for all the trouble, for all the support, for all the love and care that you have shown to Jean. In her memory, we will always cherish that. And that memory will always linger in us, in the present and in the future. Thank you.
Na advertisement kung sino nadalaan sa cellphone kadto lang sa akon